Go ahead.
Hey guys, we're out here shooting, and the golf ball is on top of the can.
Hit it high.
As you can see, not that black thing, but the other white thing sitting right there. Missed. Don't shoot the golf ball, dummy.
Say, Jack did hit the golf ball. Now we're trying to find the golf ball. Did you find it?
Raised it. It went in and out. It just went in and out. It didn't.
He knocked the top off of it. Something bigger. He hit it.
He hit it. Now we're gonna go find the golf ball. He hit it a couple of times, obviously. So that's what it looks like. It put some marks on it there.
Grazed a couple times with the AR. I'm gonna try to shoot it now.
With what?
The AR.
Daddy. He grazed it, I think, but it moved a little bit, so we're gonna go find it right now. I'm just looking.
Look at the dirt. Look at the dirt because of the bullet.
It went in. I don't see where it came out. It went in though. Look where you ate up the dirt. That's what he did. He ate up all the dirt.
Look right here. I don't pick it up. It's hot.
That's from the bullet.
That's a 5.56 bullet fragment that is very hot. Not a good idea to pick it up. There's some more fragments of the bullet.
There's some more right there.
Right there.
That's what it looks like after you shoot a golf ball with an AR-15. Now he's gonna try to shoot it with the cricket. Here he goes, shooting with the Cricket 22. Oh, he ate up that golf ball. Here's the golf ball, and yeah, he ate it up. Looks like you hit it in the same spot I did. He ate that golf ball up. Now I'm gonna get my tries at it. Golf ball sitting right there, if you can see.
I don't know if you can see the golf ball. It is downrange. Miss. Miss.
The golf ball.
From a crouch.
Yeah.
Careful.
Close to this thing, I can't hit it.
We'll ease up a few feet. High and to the right.
It'll move it a little bit.
Hit the... So you see the red dot, and we're trying to hit that little golf ball.
I can't hit it because I keep moving around, keep moving it around. So.
These sights are not bad though. It's just a cheap Tasco red dot, but it's great on a cricket. Keystone 22 cricket. Perfect. Oh!
Okay guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and comment down below what you think we should do for my next video. And thanks for watching. See you next time.